As patron of the Queen's Green Canopy, I'm delighted to launch this unique tree planting initiative created to mark Her Majesty's Platinum Jubilee in 2022. As you know, forests are amongst the richest biological areas on Earth. Tropical or temperate, they offer a magnificent variety of habitats for plants, animals, and microorganisms. They release oxygen, generate rainfall, aid natural flood management, filter pollution from the air, regulate temperatures in urban areas, prevent soil erosion, mitigate the effects of climate change, and enhance our well-being. Quite simply, we cannot live without them. As many of you will realize, it is absolutely vital that more of the right species of trees are planted in the right places, and that more woodlands, avenues, hedgerows and hedgerow trees and urban planting schemes are established in order to restore and enhance our landscapes and townscapes, ravaged as they are by the effects of elm and now ash disease, whilst ensuring that we also protect and sustain what we already have. Whether you are an individual hoping to plant a single sapling in your garden, a school or community group planting a tree, a council, charity or business intending to plant a whole avenue of trees, or a farmer looking to create new hedgerows, everyone across the country can get involved. As well as inviting people to plant new trees, the Queen's Green Canopy seeks to protect what we have. Our ancient trees and forests are as significant to our common heritage as the most historic cathedral or work of art, which is why I'm delighted that the Queen's Green Canopy will dedicate a network of 70 ancient woodlands across the United Kingdom and identifies 70 important ancient trees to mark the Jubilee. Planting trees and hedgerows and protecting existing woodlands and forests are simple, cost-effective ways to protect our whole planet. Yet, to be given the best chance to flourish, trees and hedgerows must be planted with care, at the right time of year, in the right place, and with species that are not prone to prevailing tree diseases. I hope that this initiative will encourage everyone to learn more about the best way to plant a tree so that they will thrive for years to come. Throughout her reign, the Queen has officially planted more than 1,500 trees all over the world. In March, during the most recent planting season, I was delighted to have an opportunity to plant a tree with Her Majesty in the grounds of Windsor Castle to launch this very special initiative. There is a reason for this profoundly symbolic act. Planting a tree is a statement of hope and faith in the future. As we approach this most special year, I invite you all to join me to plant a tree for the Jubilee. In other words, a tree-bilee.